Hi y'all. Today I filmed this peachy glowy look. It's kind of natural, kind of not, but I wanted to put a video out there because I haven't in a while. So if y'all aren't subscribed already, please subscribe to me. Please comment new looks because I don't know what tutorials to do. But yeah, please keep watching this video and I'll see y'all next time. Alright y'all, so first I'm going in with my Becca First Light Priming Filter. This stuff is awesome. It gets really tacky so my foundation can stick to it, and it has like a really subtle luminosity so it peeks through the foundation and doesn't look completely matte. Then for my foundation, I'm using the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. It looks really velvety smooth without being too matte, and it's not heavy at all. It's like the thinnest foundation ever, but it still gives you the best coverage. Next I go in with my concealer, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It's probably the lightest shade that they have, not gonna lie, but it has really good coverage. I've been using this stuff since I first started wearing makeup, like in middle school, so it works really good. For my under eye powder, I use the Airspun translucent powder. This stuff does not get cakey, and it is like so baby butt smooth. I don't really bake with it, but I put a lot under my eyes, and then I just use my wet beauty blender to like pounce it into the skin. For the rest of my face, I use the Rimmel Stay Matte Press Powder, and it's not translucent. I think it's just like a really light shade. Then for my eyebrows, I'm just using the Morphe 350 palette today. My hair always changes colors, so this palette has like 50 different brown shades. I'll usually just mix a couple of them, and then that's my shade for the day. I will take a spoolie after, mostly in the front, and just blend it out so there's not any harsh lines. For my bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and then just a really big stippling brush from Morphe. And I'm just gonna barely touch my cheek with this and just do a lot of circular motions around my face. Before I do anything else with my face, I'm gonna take the Mario Badescu Rose Spray. I always set my face before I do highlighter or eyeshadow or anything else because I feel like it makes it a little bit tacky. So if I put any shimmers or anything else, it can really stick to my skin. I'm gonna skip over to my eyes a little bit, even though I hardly do anything to my eyes. I'm just gonna take a really light brown shade from the Morphe 350 palette again and put that all over my lid and a little bit into my crease. Then I'm gonna take a smaller, more dense blending brush and I'm gonna get a light brown shade from the Carly Bybel palette and just concentrate that only on my lid. I think I'm putting a matte white shade under my brow bone. I didn't really show or say anything, so I'm just guessing that's what I did there. And then I go in later and put a highlighter on the brow bone. For my face highlight today, I'm going to use the Nicole Guerrero palette from Anastasia. And I think I mixed the shades Forever Young and Daydream. It kind of makes like a pinkish peachy color, but on camera it only looks like white, so yeah. For my lips today, I'm going to use the Milani lip liner. I think it's in the shade Nude, but I absolutely love this shade. It's like the perfect color for me. I like to get lip liners that are really close to my lip color, but a little more like lively looking, if that makes sense. My lips can look a little pale, so this makes them look real. And then over the top, I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Zurich. This shade is a little too pink for me, but I guess it kind of pulls off with the lip liner. Last but not least, I'm going to apply mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Super good. Love this mascara. I think a dupe for it is the L'Oreal Telescopic. It's like half the price, but the roller lash is still really good. Alright y'all, but that is it for my look today. It is easy as hell. Y'all could probably do it better than me, but yeah. Please leave a comment if you have a suggestion for me. But if not, thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.